Are you preparing for your CE demo? Well, this is the right video for you. So, how are you going to practice in a mock classroom using the AC for your incoming CE demo? Okay, so this video is helpful for those aspiring applicants who are wishing to practice the topic about our school. So here in the video, I will show some tips how to practice inside a mock classroom using a material ID number, and then you can access the material, and also how to navigate the tools and what's inside the pages or the activities inside the material. So let's start. So by the way, before entering a mock classroom, you have to start device checking and click the advanced for you to see if your microphone, your speaker, and then your video, and then the last one, animated animation, is working well. Okay, so you always have to check those features before entering a mock classroom, especially on the day of your CE demo. After device checking, you have to click the three lines, horizontal lines, in the upper right corner and click the mock classroom. And then you will enter the material type you're going to use. So we have to click the H5 because commonly in our CE demo we use H5 since you are going to handle a level 0 student. You are going to show to your CE demo how you handle a level 0 student, and level 0 student really likes H5 material. So H5 material is more on interactive activities. It's really suit for the kids, and then after clicking the H5, you have to click the material ID number, which is 793111. Okay, so this is the actual view when you enter a mock classroom, or even in an actual classroom in the AC. Okay, when you are already launched as teacher in 5-1 Talk. So for you to to know better the features inside the classroom, you have to be familiar with the tools inside the classroom, and of course, all you need to do is practice. That's why I'm sharing this video to you, for you to have a guide and reference. But if you wanted a reference for a whole video or sample class for your upcoming CE demo, you can visit my page and watch my video about our school for level 0 student. It will be useful to you when you are preparing for a CE demo. So I know tinuro na sa inyo on how to navigate the tools inside the AC, but I will briefly show to you the use of each tool, especially having an H5 material. Okay, so let's start. This is the active tool. This is used to access the songs, games, and activities inside the material. The move tool, ginagamit natin when we want to move the text, the pen, the rectangle inside the material. Okay, let's say for example, let's use the text tool. Type 5-1 Talk, and if we want to move around the text anywhere we want, we have to click again the move tool. Ayan, so pwede nyo na siyang dalhin kahit saan na gusto nyo, o kahit saan na parte ng material. Ginagamit din natin siya when we are using the pen. When we write something and we want to move the pen inside the material, you can click again the move tool. Okay? Ayan, madadala nyo na kung saan yung gusto yung isinulat nyo sa loob ng material. Next is the rectangle. Okay, rectangle can also be moved by this tool. Okay. Ayan, very useful sa akin ang pen and rectangle, especially when I am teaching the keywords and teaching sentences. I can, instead of redoing the rectangle, I can move around the rectangle using the move tool. So let's move on to another tool, which is the clear, yung parang brush. If you want to delete all the pen, the rectangle, the text you made inside the material, you can just clear it all or delete it all. Sunod naman ay ang highlighter. So this is a new feature in H5 material. So ang kagandahan nito is you can write on the material and it automatically deletes for you. Ayan, look. Unlike the pen, you have to use the clear button para ma-delete siya. Pero kapag gamit natin ang highlighter, okay, you can write anything, highlight a word, and then it automatically deletes itself after gagamit naman tayo ng another highlighter. Now let's move on to the pages. In each page, there is a TG. You can click the TG here or the teacher's guide. This can be a good help for you na maging guided in each pages. Okay, you can simply read it and meron na kayong guide. Okay, and then in here, this is the introduction page wherein you have to introduce yourself and then ask for the student's name. Then ask if you are ready. So here, when you are asking, are you ready for today's lesson? You have to show the TPR already. Like, listen to me and look at me. Next is the second page or the warm-up page. As you can see here, we have H and L. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng H? It's for the high-level student and L is for the low-level student. So, ang gagawin mo naman dito is you have to play the song twice. First is you let the student hear first the song, play the song, and then second time you have to let the student sing along with you. Okay, if it's high-level student, you can let him or her sing independently. If it's a low student and ayaw kumanta, ay okay lang yun. Okay, you can let them hear and sing along with you. Next is this one, the introduction, the title page. So here, okay, you have to let the student read if it's high-level student, and if it's low-level student, you can let the student repeat after you when you read the title of the lesson. So here, I will not explain each pages because the purpose of this video is to show how to use the mock classroom. So if you know how to use the mock classroom yourself, you can explore it and think of ways or strategies how to teach each pages. And take note, always look or read for the teacher's guide. And then this last feature is the authorize. Okay, here in this page is we are going to let the student look, listen, and choose which one is the teacher. So to be able to the student to click which, if it's A or B, you have to on the authorize. And then when it's on, the student can access the material and click, drag, and play along with the material if it's on. And take note, if the authorization is on, you cannot click and access. So if you have corrections or you want to help the student, you have to off the authorization.